Hello everyone and welcome back to another restoration video at Lazi-Low Collectibles, and today we have a Volvo Corgi Juniors Volvo 245DL. I've done this model before from Matchbox Super Kings. Maybe I'll put a link up here if you want to look at that. That was actually my first car to restore, and this one is really dirty. This one needs a good restoration. Somebody painted it military green or whatever green it is, and this door is stuck, so I hope I can get that open without breaking it. I had a few of these cars in a very good condition. This one is definitely in a bad condition, so this will need a proper restoration. So let's waste no time. Let's get the let's get started and put this car into the wash and the paint stripper. So I have drilled the rivets out. I had to be very careful with this one because it's painted all over and it was really sticky. So anyway, I'll leave the wheels now. So I've got the interior inside, and I'm afraid that the windscreen is actually sticking to the body because of the paint. So I have to be very careful with this one if I don't want to break the windscreen. So I'll be back, guys. I need to take this apart off camera. I don't want to break it. So here we go. I didn't break anything. The door is open. So it does work. And I also got the windscreen in one piece. So I need to make sure that this is gonna be clean. So I need to get rid of this paint. So all the parts are okay. They're just very dirty. So everything will need painting, cleaning, refurbishing. So let's get started. Here we go, the Volvo is now finished. I haven't done much videos because it was a bit of rushy work, but it was pretty easy actually. And surprisingly, the paint came off from everything very easy, the windscreen and the body as well. I left the car into the paint stripper for a day just to make sure that it's gonna be alright. So what I've done is I painted the base and updated the wheels. They were both green, and I painted the interior instead of yellow to this creamy color. I haven't done any detailing. I think it looks alright. And I managed to clean and polish up the windscreen. It was green, if you remember. It was really bad, but now it looks fantastic. And also I've got the car painted and detailed, and as you can see, you can open the boot now. I've done the indicators, the handles, and this car has a lock actually on both doors, and also the front I updated. So let's put the car together. Let's see how does it look. Oh, I also done the Volvo sign. So here we go. Very nice. It's all done now. And I think it looks really good. If you remember how the car looked like, it's fantastic. So guys, the car is now finished. So let's see what we done. We done the wheels, the details, the Volvo sign I've done by hand. I think it looks pretty good. Indicators, lights, door handles, wheels, and all the body. So guys, if you did like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and also comment down below what you think of this restoration and my other restorations as well. And thank you very much for my subscribers, new and old, to keep coming and watching the video. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye bye.